Problem 8. Poisson process is defined by the following properties. First, the number n t1, t2 of the point ti in the interval t1, t2 of the length t equals t2 minus t1 is a Poisson random variable with parameter lambda t. P n t1, t2 equals k equals e to the negative lambda t times lambda t to k divided by k factorial. Second, if the intervals t1, t2, and t3, t4 are non-overlapping, then the random variable n t1, t2, and n t3, t4 are independent. Third, at a time moment t, there is no more one Poisson point. Using the point ti, we form the stochastic process xt equals n0t. This is the graph of xt. First, find ext. Second, find rt1, t2. For x equals to k, p equals e to negative lambda, lambda to k divided by k factorial. Then we set the sum function of e to negative lambda, lambda to k divided by k factorial equal to 1. We can get that lambda k divided by k factorial equals to e to the lambda. Then we take the derivative lambda for both sides. We can get that k times lambda to k minus 1 divided by k factorial equals to e to the lambda. Then we times the lambda for both sides. We got k lambda to the k divided by k factorial equals to lambda e to lambda. Then we solve it. We can get this function k e to negative lambda, lambda to k divided by k factorial equals to lambda, and this function of the left part is ex, so we got ex equals to lambda. Then we can easily get that ext equals to lambda t. For question B, we first look at the part that when t2 is larger than t1, xt1 equals to xt1 minus x0 and xt2 minus xt1, they are independent. So we got that rt1, t2 when t2 is larger than t1 equal to ext1, xt2 equals to ext1, xt2 minus xt1 plus xt1 equals ext1 times ext2 minus xt1 plus ex squared t1. Then it equal to lambda times t1 times lambda t2 minus lambda t1 plus 1 plus lambda t1 times lambda t1. And they both have a same coefficient lambda t1. We got that finally lambda t1 times lambda t2 plus 1, then it equals to lambda times t1 plus lambda t1 times t2. Then for the other hand, when t1 is larger than t2, we can easily get that rt1 t2 equals lambda t2 plus lambda t1 t2. And combine those two functions, we got our final result that rt1 t2 equals lambda mean function of t1 t2 plus lambda t1 t2.